Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is first of all, this is a very different angle for me. I wanted to get as low as I could because I noticed in a lot of the other mukbang videos you can see the food, you know what I mean? And yeah, I don't know what type of setting they all do it in, but this is the lowest I could get. So anyway, today I'm gonna be doing a Pizza Hut mukbang with you guys. I do have some honey barbecue wings here. My dad ate like a majority of it. There's only 3 in here and I'm so sad because that's all I wanted was the wings, but it's fine. I have honey barbecue wings. I have the chicken alfredo pasta that I'm gonna eat first, and then I just have some Hawaiian pizza here. This is my favorite. Yes, pineapple belongs on pizza. Don't fucking at me, I will fight you. I'm not gonna make this intro too long just because I feel like I have a lot to talk to you guys about. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right on in. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I normally make weekly videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. There's more to the little spiel, but I'm hungry, so let's go. I only have 2 slices of pizza here just because I feel like I'm not gonna really eat it. Drinks, I do have ginger ale because that's my best friend. But I also have water because I need a lot of water. Actually, I'm gonna drink some right now. Yeah, so today is February 8th. This is really good. Oh my gosh, their pasta is really good. So, they don't have a Domino's on base, but they have one off base. And they deliver, but they deliver just to the main gate. You know what I mean? And I was like, I'm really not trying to get out my car. So we just had Pizza Hut delivered, but normally we're a Domino's family. Comment down below if you guys are Pizza Hut or Domino's. First of all, don't mind my nails. I got bored, so I took my acrylics off. I was just so over them. Obviously I didn't do this because that shit was hurting me. So I think I'm just gonna go in and get them removed. I should do an ASMR video, huh? Okay, anyway, excuse me. Oh, excuse me, fair warning, I'm most likely gonna burp a shit ton in this video, so apologize about that ahead of time. Before I get into the questions, I just wanted to talk to you guys about where I've been, if you guys care. Okay, anyways, so my last video was uploaded 2 weeks ago, you guys. Can you freaking believe that? And there's reasons for that. Before I got sick, I was just like, bleh. I'm in my 3rd trimester, you guys. Like literally, I'm over it, right? So then I was like, okay, I feel good. I'm gonna film now. I got sick. I got the chills. Oh my gosh, I freaking forgot ranch. How am I supposed to eat these wings? Anyway, so. Like I said, I got sick, and so it was like a Tuesday. I feel like when you get the chills, it's like horrible anyway, right? But when you're pregnant, like I told you guys before, when you're pregnant, everything is just like 10 times worse. I literally thought I was on my deathbed, for real, for real. So anyways, the following days, I was just so sick. I was literally in bed. It was horrible. Literally, it was horrible. I don't go to the doctor for me at all. I mainly only go to the doctor for my kids if they're sick. Well, I mean, of course I go to my appointments and stuff, but as far as like sick-wise, I don't go to the doctor at all because I'm like, hello, figure it out, right? I had to go to the doctor, you guys. So I went in, and so every time I would swallow, it would hurt so bad. Like literally it would hurt right here, and then the pain would go up to my ears, right? So I was like, oh my gosh, do I have strep? So I looked up the symptoms and I didn't have strep, thank the Lord. So when I went in, they were like, yeah, you don't have strep. When I was younger, I used to always get ear infections. Excuse me, I feel like I'm being so weird right now talking with my mouth full. Anyway, I used to get ear infections all the time, right? So I had ear tubes put in my ear. The last time I had tubes put in my ear, I'm pretty sure I was in high school, but I'm like, they definitely have fallen out by now. So he looked at my ear, he was like, both of your eardrums are open. And I'm like, what the hell does that mean? Is that a bad thing? You know what I mean? So like I said, I didn't have strep, I didn't have the flu. He prescribed me an antibiotic for my ear infection. And then I just continued taking Tylenol because that's really all you can take more when you're pregnant. You just have to get the okay from your OBGYN or your midwife or whoever. But the main thing I feel like you really can't take is Tylenol. So I just continued taking Tylenol. I took some Airborne for my throat, which really helped. I took Theraflu, but I got the okay, excuse me, from my doctor, my midwife, that I could take it. And yeah, so that's why I went missing, literally. Oh my God. Anyway, we're back. We're 100 times better. And we're eating. So, like I said, today is Friday, February 8th. I'm 34 weeks today. And I'm so ready to have this baby. We got her stroller, we got her crib, everything is so cute. I'm not doing a nursery for her just because I feel like I won't use it. I didn't have a nursery with my 2 kids, and so I was like, well, I'm not gonna have one for this one. But I do have a crib for her. I didn't have a crib with my 2 kids. Lolo had a bassinet. She slept in it maybe like the first week and that was it. Milana never slept in that thing. She always slept with us. So the reason I really wanted a crib for her is because getting the kids out of our bed right now is really hard. And so I just thought, okay, we're gonna try to prevent that problem by having her sleep on her own. To be quite honest, we'll see how long that lasts, just because I'm the type, like, I'm a really light sleeper. So even with my 2 girls, even if they didn't wake up in the middle of the night, I would wake up, but just to like turn over and like make sure they're still breathing and stuff. I don't know. Anyways, like that. Anyways, we'll see how the crib thing goes. I'm excited, to be honest. That's where we are. We're up to date. We're all caught up. Let's do these questions. First question. Which pregnancy was the weirdest craving you ever had, and what was it? To be quite honest, in all my pregnancies, and I truly thank the Lord for this, I've never had a weird craving at all. I would just crave things that I don't normally eat. For instance, I don't normally eat hot dogs. But with Milana, I was like, dang, I kind of like really want some hot dogs right now. You know what I mean? Stuff like that, you know? Ow. Why are you guys so adorable? I miss and love you, Fam Bam. Stop. I miss you, Kirkland. We love you. Kirkland is Cyrus's cousin. Love that guy. Next one. Are you an only child? No, I'm not. I have an older brother. Him and I are 13 months apart. And yeah, it's just us 2. Growing up though, I've always wanted a sister. So now that I'm having girls, of course I want a baby boy. But I'm so happy that I am having girls, just because like I said, growing up, I always wanted a sister. So now that my girls, you know, they get sisters and stuff, I'm so excited to watch, you know, I'm just so excited to watch them grow up together and stuff. And fight. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Why are you so cute? LOL. I was a whale in my 3rd trimester. Stop. You're so that's so nice of you. Trust me, I'm a whale. Literally, I'm a whale. Like, look at me eating. Thank you so much, love. That was really nice of you. Can you fluently speak Samoan or Tongan? No, I cannot. I cannot speak it fluently, but I do understand both languages. I mentioned this in me and Cyrus's first mukbang video. We really do want to learn Samoan, just so we can teach our kids the language. And to be honest, I heard the easiest, not the easiest way, but a really good way to learn a language is to read the Bible. I don't know if you guys have ever seen The Other Side of Heaven, but he reads the Bible in Tongan because that's where he served his mission, and obviously in English, you know what I mean? So I heard that that's a really good way to learn the language if you wanted to. So I told my husband, we need to do that. But he was telling me he saw a book that his cousin had posted on her Instagram. I think it's a calendar or something like that, and I don't know if it's each day there's a new Samoan word to learn, or if it's each month. I totally forget, but I think he wants to get that calendar. So yeah. Excuse me, that is our goal, is to definitely learn the language so we can teach our kids. What's your favorite Polynesian food? Probably balusami. Balusami, ooh, some balsam. When my mom was out here, I asked her to make me some. Balsami sounds hella good right now. It's more of a dessert, but it's some keke, obviously. My mom makes the round keke, but my mother-in-law, she actually makes, it's like really thin, and then she puts jelly in it and then she rolls it up. That one's really good too. She tried teaching me once and I completely messed it up. But, or pani papo. Pani papo is really good. But yeah, probably balusami. Balusami sound hella good right now. Fave YouTubers. Go on. I don't know, to be quite honest, I've been more into watching vlogs versus like makeup tutorials and stuff like that. So right now I'm really enjoying Janine Animalpola. I've been loving her channel like literally ever since I found her, which was like 2 years ago. But I just really like her vlogs. I really like Aspen and Parker. I really like their vlog. But as far as makeup wise, I really like Makeup by Shayla. I love Serai. I like Jackie Aina. So like I told you guys, we're going to Bali in April. There's this girl, she's a travel vlogger, I guess you could say. Her name is Laura Reed, and I came across her when I was looking up Bali videos. I'm obsessed with her videos, literally obsessed. I'm obsessed with her editing, and I'm so obsessed with like her B-roll action that she always gets. Obsessed with that. So definitely check her out. Hopefully when we go to Bali, hopefully I'm able to get some sort of footage that just like that she has, excuse me. When I watch her videos, I'm like, that's like where I want to take my content as far as like when I do travel and stuff like that, you know what I mean? I feel like that type of stuff you can't really do with makeup videos, obviously, but like the drone footage and the B-roll shots and stuff like that, that's what I really, really want to incorporate into my videos, you know? So yeah, love her. She's great. Like I said, her name is Laura Reed. Yes. Awesome. P.O. Box, question mark. Would love to send you guys some goodies. That is so sweet of you. Oh my gosh, thank you. Our P.O. Box is always written in our description box, but thank you, that's so nice of you. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Cyrus is probably gonna go crazy. Who's that from? Anna. Anna May. I love her. She's so fun. What made you start YouTube? Good question. I started YouTube when I was pregnant with my oldest and Cyrus was on deployment. I literally had nothing to do. Literally, I'm pretty sure I started it when I was like 22 weeks pregnant. But I had always been into YouTube, like watching videos and stuff like that. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start it. So I posted my very first video. It was just a get ready with me. I deleted it though, so don't even try to go look for it. Yeah, it was like a get ready with me with like putting my hair in a bun and stuff like that. And then I uploaded it, right? And then I started getting like subscribers and views and comments, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this. So that's, I don't know, that's kind of how it started with me constantly posting and stuff like that. But I didn't tell anybody. I didn't share on any social media. The only person that knew was my dad. And he was like, okay. So then one day, I think it was when I had about 100, close to 250, or close to 250, 100, close to 200 subscribers. That's when I decided to share on social media. Hey, I have a YouTube channel, yada, yada, yada. And honestly, sharing it on social media was like the best thing ever, because that's when my channel really took off, you know? So yeah, that's why I started it. I was pregnant and bored. Can you do a video on what you eat in a day? Yes, I did one of those already. I will link it here in the cards for you guys. Go check it out. It's what I eat. But honestly, I think I'm gonna start doing those because, like I mentioned in that video, those tend to be like really popular videos. So yeah, what's the best advice you can give a first-time mommy? That's a good one. The best advice I could give a first-time mommy is, honestly, you really just gotta go with the flow. Don't be too hard on yourself. This is your first time having a baby. This is the first time your baby is in the world, obviously, you know? You both are really like just learning, you know? So don't be too hard on yourself. I remember I was like, when Lola would cry and I would feed her, I would change her diaper, and she would still cry. There would be times where I'm like, I would almost break down and cry as well, because I'm like, I don't know what to do, and I don't know what I can do to help her at this moment, you know? But I mean, it's just part of parenthood. Be easy on yourself, take it day by day, but most of all, definitely enjoy every minute you have with your baby, because they just grow so fast. My oldest is 3, my middle is 2, and I'm about to have another one. But Cyrus and I will look at old videos and stuff and old pictures of our first 2, and I'm just like, oh my gosh. Like, I'm so happy that we're having another baby, because these 2, they're just so independent, you know? Like, they literally need me just to cook them food. That's literally all they need. They do everything themselves. And I'm like, they don't need me anymore. So yeah, definitely enjoy every single moment, because what's that saying? They grow up so fast. They really do. Oh my gosh, I'm getting full. Or am I? I don't know. Last one. Are you excited about renewing your vows? Yes, very excited. Cyrus and I will be renewing our vows on our 5-year wedding anniversary. We'll be renewing them on March 6th, which is a Saturday, 2021. So we do have 2 years. I started planning it a few months back, but as I got into my 3rd trimester, I was like, okay, I need to just focus on the delivery of the baby, getting stuff ready for her, getting my hospital bag ready, you know, just all stuff like that, getting the house ready for her. So I put it on hold, but when I just have downtime, if you will, that's when I'll just continue my planning and stuff like that. But I'm very, very, very excited. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be great because I finally get to wear a wedding dress. If you guys don't know, Cyrus and I got married in a courthouse in Arizona. We did that whole little thing. The moment we were done, we got in the car and I was like, on our 5-year wedding anniversary, we are going to renew our vows and I'm gonna wear a dress. It's more special to us now because our kids get to be involved in it, you know? I'm very excited. I definitely plan on bringing you guys along. All right, I'm gonna eat this and then I'm done. I'm so sorry. I feel like majority of the video I was looking over there. You guys know I hate that shit, so I apologize. Let me know what other type of videos you guys want to see. If y'all want more mukbangs, let me know because you know I'm down. Honestly, I'm not even gonna eat my pizza. Oh my gosh, have you guys seen the Ted Bundy tapes on Netflix? If you haven't, you should totally check it out. The dude was psycho. All right, I'm done. I can't do it anymore. Alrighty guys, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys ate with me. Yeah, anything I may have missed, hold on, there's chicken in my teeth. Anything I may have missed will be listed, or yeah, will be listed down below for you guys. Sorry, brain fart. I love you. I hope you guys have a good day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.